Okay, thank you, Kuma, for this interview. I wanted to start off by asking you about Yamaha's true sound description, where you have three core elements. You have tonal balance, dynamics, and sound image. Can you tell me what each of those elements mean in Yamaha's interpretation?
Okay, so first is a tonal balance. So that means the sound itself. The second is dynamics. It means time sequence. And the last is sound image means spatial. So first one is a tonal balance. So it's most important for us because we are music instruments company. How to express the music instrument exactly is the most important for us. So we are, for example, so piano is the most important instrument for us. So piano is the most wider frequency range. So how to express some low-end note to a top note. So how to express exactly, that is most important for us. So tonal balance has meaning of sound itself. And then second is dynamics. So in the music, so just in the songs, so there are music rest, and sound is rising. So, and the rhythm is have a time sense of the artist.
Yes.
So it's like a groove and swing in the jazz. So that rhythm and express silence and rising the sound. So we express exactly how to express silence and rising sound and express groove and swing in or something. So, and the last is sound image. So that means how express the spatial, such as height and width and depth, and music instruments, the positioning. We express exactly each position of music instruments, and we express harmony created between space between each music instruments. So that we said music. We said sound image. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. And these three core elements, do they apply across all Yamaha's divisions in sound, or is it something that only the home audio division is doing?
So we use true sound philosophy for our audio division.
Across all of them?
Yes, across our audio division, sure.
Yeah. And for true sound, I know it's a team of people.
Yeah.
How much consultation is there between the true sound team and the various other divisions in Yamaha, whether it's home audio or event, PA, public address, or studio, and so on?
So our strongness and uniqueness is we know the intention of engineer or music instruments and professional audio engineers. So we don't consult with artists in each product, but we usually have conversation and discussion with our engineer of music instruments and our professional audio members. So we know the artist intention and the mixing engineer and mastering engineer through our engineers of music instrument and professional audio division. Sure.
Okay. This could be a long question, but if you can answer it in as short as possible. Okay. How do you think, in terms of the actual electronic design or the circuit design of the high-end products, how does that expression of true sound 3 cores go into the design circuitry?
Yeah. Okay. So, for example, in case of design the circuit, so the one thing is most important thing is dynamics. For example, so if we express the dynamics by electrical circuit, so we make importance to design low impedance. So, for example, if design the ground connection by low impedance connection and design the print circuit to get more low impedance. So if design like that, so current is more smoothly, and we can express the dynamics. And not only design the print circuit board, so how to connect the wire and terminal.
Yeah.
It's easy to design by soldering. It's easier. But we adapt the screwed directly for more low impedance. Yes, more better contact. But in the production, so soldering is better than screwed.
Yeah.
But we discuss with our production division.
Yes.
So we want to realize our concept.
Right.
So this process is very important. So our production member understand our philosophy. So then they do that in production. So
that's an unusual arrangement where the listening panel or the true sound panel actually dictating to the manufacturing and production team how you want things done, regardless of whether it's easy or not, or difficult. That's quite an unusual thing.
Yeah.
And what about other ways? What other ways did you do, for example, with speakers? How do you think the speakers express true sound?
Yeah, of course. So in speakers, so most important thing is how unified tone character. Is that mean tonal balance? So I said tonal balance is very, very important for us because we are music instruments company, so never change the tone character in all frequency range. So key technology is Xylon diaphragm. It's 100% Xylon material diaphragm for all the drivers from the tweeter to woofers. So that's a key technology. So the motivation is based on our concept. Yes, the tonal balance from our 3 elements. So basically, if design the speakers, so the material is selected to most optimized to each driver's tweeter. Tweeter needs speed.
Yes.
The woofer need loss. So, but to realize our concept, to realize tonal balance, so we stick to how to express this concept. What we seek the material, which material is realize our concept.
Yeah.
So we lead to xylon material.
What do you think? What part did the crossover design play in the whole True Sound?
Yeah. So crossover design is contribute to, of course, each technology affect to all three elements, but especially crossover network is affect to tonal balance,
yeah.
And of course affect to space. So that means the sound image, tonal balance, and sound image is the most affected by crossover network.
Hello, I'm Edgar Kramer from Soundstage Australia. Thanks for joining us on this Soundstage Talks episode. This is a little different to our usual Soundstage Talks. There's going to be two parts to this episode. In part one, I was talking to Susumu Kumazawa-san, who is the leader of the True Sound group at Yamaha. And you saw there, he expressed some views and tried to explain the nature of True Sound. I stopped there because I actually wanted to get a couple of alternate point of views from two other key personnel from the True Sound team, and that'll come up in part two. Now, I wanted to mention how passionate these guys are. They're all musicians, and they are really invested in communicating the True Sound ideology to the end user via the upmarket products like the 3000 and 5000 series. Another key thing I want to mention is that I was probably the first media person to visit the True Sound room, which is a purpose-built, dedicated room where 5000 series products in particular are set up for auditioning. It's a great sounding room. It's acoustically treated by and designed by some of Yamaha's best engineers. And this is a perfect tool for the engineers to audition products at the later stage of development. So, like I said, it was 90% finished, soon to be done. And you'll find that out and much more in a feature that I'll be publishing in January 2024 about Yamaha True Sound.